Chapter 10 The Enigma of Dwar Yatra. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. The five Devas request Bhrushandi humbly. Please tell us the expanse of Swananda Kshetra as well as its importance and glory. O Yogiraj, please tell which Kshetra bestows dharma, wealth, desire fulfillment and liberation respectively, so that a devotee will benefit from this knowledge. Why does only dharma resides at the eastern door, artha at the southern door, kama at the western door, and moksha in the northern door? Please tell us where the four Brahmas reside. Shakti Brahma is attained first with Samadhi, then Saurabh Brahma, then Vaishnava Brahma, and then Shaiva Brahma. Thereafter, the devotees attain Ganesha Brahma with these. There is no doubt about it. A devotee attains union with the divine in the sequence. O eminent Guru, during the Dwar Yatra, Dwara of Vishnu, that is Vaishnava Brahma, has been described in the beginning. How can a devotee accomplish this Dwara first? Thereafter, you have mentioned Shaiva, Shakta, and Saura Dwaras. Why have you mentioned this contrary sequence? Kindly explain. How can a devotee bypass Shakti and Surya and reach Vaishnava Brahma directly? If such a situation occurs, humans will become confused and deluded. Devi Adi Shakti said, I shall recount what Mahayogi Bhrushandi, the one well versed in the supreme truth, said to Mahadeva. Bhrushandi said, Dharma bestows all siddhis in the form of dharma, religion or righteousness. Artha is the bestower of prosperity. Kama is the bestower of physical gratification leading to happiness and contentment in the heart. Mukti or liberation is attained when one is freed from the bondage of the physical body. Dharma treats everyone justly and equally. He bestows rewards based on karmas performed. O Lord of Devas, Dharma does not differentiate between mine and others. He bestows rewards based on auspiciousness or inauspiciousness of the deeds. Dharma judges based on the karma or deed and not on the doer or karta. Vaishnava Brahma also treats all equally and justly, and hence Dharma resides there. That is the reason, O Devas, who illuminate all the dharmas, that Vaishnava Dharma Brahma is stationed at the eastern Dwara. Only when a human observes his dharma diligently that he gets all the merits. There is no doubt about it. Dharma is the reason why all merits and rewards are earned. Dharma is an anga, limb or part of Vishnu. Hence, Dharma is at the Dwara of Vishnu. Therefore, one should worship Vishnu at the eastern Dwara first to accomplish Dharma. Though Artha is powerful, he cannot match the prowess of Ishvara. Therefore, he is stationed at the next Dwar. Even if the Devas yield prowess and are stationed at the respective places, one must remember that they exist only in their Amsha form, part of the divine. There is no doubt about it. It is well known and said in all the Shastras that Ishvara means Shiva. Since Artha or prosperity is created from the Anga of Shiva, hence existence of Artha is with the support of Shiva. O Devas, a virtuous human becomes capable only by adhering to his Dharma. So Dharma has been given prominence of all deeds, karyas. A yatra conducted by devotees observing Bhakti Marga diligently, irrespective of the intentions, is assigned a position after the southern Dwara because Artha has been given the second position. Kama means lust or desire. It provides physical gratifications. The reason for these desires is Shakti. Since Kama is born from innermost desires of Shakti, Kama, the one who induces cravings for desire fulfillment, exists due to the support of Shakti. At first, a human observes his dharma, consequently, he becomes capable. Thereafter, he enjoys various comforts, which grants happiness. This is the reason why the Dwara of Kama, that bestows enjoyment of objects of desire, has been assigned a third Dwara during the process of Dwarayatra. The learned must always remember this. The Pandits opine that moksha is escape from the cycle of birth and death. This escape has been provided by Surya by way of Shuklagati. Surya is the Atma. He is the bestower of moksha liberation. This means that moksha exists with the support of Surya. O eminent Devas, after enjoying the fulfillment of desires, Kama, according to precepts of Dharma, one attains contentment. When he becomes content and no longer has a desire for physical gratification, he makes consistent efforts to achieve liberation. There is no desire for liberation for the one whose mind yearns for gratification. That is why the Moksha Dwara has been placed forth. O Lord of Devas, in this manner I have told you the legends of all the Dwaras. One who listens to it or reads it is blessed with all joys. This is the standard sequence. The Vishnu Dwara is the first in the sequence as Vishnu is steadfast follower of Dharma. Thus ends the 10th chapter titled The Enigma of Dwaryatra in the 6th Khanda of the Purana Upanishad, Shrimad Mudgal Puran, describing the legends of Vikata. Dedicated to Sri Gajanana. End of chapter 10.